Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, that's cute. I really like it. This is Cinderella?
Yeah, this is the back. Yeah, it's called the Cinderella.
Okay.
Cinderella.
Okay.
Perfect?
Yes.
Yeah. Anytime you want, you could turn it on.
Okay, let me take the back. And it is really nice. I like. It's beautiful. And look at the back. Beautiful. So I'm thinking they have so many beautiful dresses. So I came to the right place. Nothing but wedding dresses.